teacher. Teacher, teacher, where are you? Teacher. What happened, Bunny? Why are you calling me? Teacher, all children are getting bored. What to do now? Yes, I think all are getting bored. What to do now? Bunny, you think, I also think, okay? What to do, what to do, what to do? Ha, Bunny, I have an idea. But what, teacher? You like stories? Yes, teacher, yes. I love stories. Okay. Children, you like stories? Very good. He also likes stories. So, today I am going to tell you one story. But while storytelling, you have to sit quietly on your places. Bunny, you also sit quietly, huh? Yes, teacher. I will sit quietly. Don't worry. Me and my all friends will sit quietly. You just tell a story. Okay, Bunny. You sit over here. Okay? And children, you also sit like the bunny. Huh? You have to sit quietly on your places. And listen the story very carefully. Because after the story, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay? So are you ready for the story? But first, what is the story name? The story name is The Crow and the Old Lady. What is the story name? Story name is The Crow and the Old Lady. So, are you ready for the story? Very good.
There was a village named Singalarur. It had a big banyan tree, which was the residing place for a flock of crows. One day, as usual, early in the morning, every crow left the tree in search of food, except one, the Blackie. Blackie was sleeping till the sun rays touched him. Sun rays. What's the time now? Oh my God, it's 8 o'clock. Everyone has gone and now I have to go alone. Blackie flew over the street of the village in search of food. Blackie sat on a branch as he was tired of flying around. I'm hungry. What makes me hungry? Blackie looked around to find out where the smell came from. An old lady was frying vadas which spread the aroma. The size of vada makes his mouth to water. Immediately, he felt like eating the vada. So, Blackie went down and sat near the woman. A crow is kept in a rest. Blackie slowly went near the vada plate.
Hey, you are here to steal the vada? Let me also tie you.
Bad lady, very dangerous woman. It is possible to get a vada only if she is not here. What to do? An idea flashed in Blackie's mind. Immediately he went to the backyard. Grandma, oh dear grandma.
Oh my grandchildren, I'm coming.
The moment the old lady went to the backyard, Blackie picked up a vada and flew back to his home. Blackie was happy and was about to eat his meal. At the same time, a fox called Kani was walking towards the street. The moment Kani saw the vada, it wanted to take it from the crow. Ho ho ho! What luck! I will get the vada from the blackie. Before that, I should plan, it tricked the blackie. Hello Blackie, hope that's your name. What people say is true, black is a beauty. Wow, you have got wonderful beautiful eyes. Yes, feathers, I don't find words to describe your beauty. Kani again continued. Blackie, who heard this, felt happy and was proud when he heard these words. Such a beautiful bird definitely should have a beautiful voice. Will you sing a song for me, Blackie? Blackie was totally flattered. Cow, 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 oh, I'm a fool. That's it. The vada fell down and it was in the hands of Kani. Oh, let me clean the sand from the vada before eating it. Kani took the vada and disappeared into the forest. The fool Blackie was disappointed. I should not have believed the words of the fox. Now I should look out the way to get another vada from that old lady.
Good Bunny. Now it's a question time. Are you ready for that? And what about Bunny? Teacher, I am also ready. Okay. Now children, tell me which bird have you seen in the story? Which bird have you seen in the story? Yes. Correct. Crow. Clap for the children. Very good, very good, very good. Now it's Bunny's turn, huh children? Bunny, tell me, what is the crow sound? Cow, cow, cow. Wow, Bunny, you're so brilliant. Clap for Bunny. Clap, 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 clap. Okay, now third question. What is stolen from the old lady? What is stolen? Bunny also thinking. What is stolen? Yes. Who say? Correct. Vada. What is stolen? Vada. Clap, Bunny. Clap for my children. Wow, teacher, your children are so brilliant. And my friends too. Yes. Now, fourth question. Which animal makes to grow foolish? Which animal makes to grow foolish? Think for a while. Bunny, you also think. Yes, teacher, I am also thinking. Which bird? Correct. It's a fox. Very good, children. Clap for you all. Very good. So, children, what is the moral of the story? Don't be so lazy. Always stay active. Like me and Bunny. And I know my all class are always active. So, be active always. Correct, Bunny? Correct, teacher. We all are active always. So, children, till then, bye-bye. See you soon in next session.